Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publishers video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear students, you must have with you Class 1 English textbook, workbook, resource pack and summer pack. Resource pack is for parents and teachers guidance. You can also download it from Cantab Publishers official website. We are going to start our lesson from Unit 4, Play, and the topic is naming action words and compound words. SLOs of this lesson are: write appropriate naming words and action words to identify an object or an action in a picture. Look here, the page number 23 of your textbook, the compound words. What are the compound words? I know you are familiar with the compound words because we have done it in your previous lessons too. Match the words of the column A with the correct words in column B and write the compound words in the column C. You have to match all these words with the right and suitable words with the column B. For example, the basket is matched with what? Compound words consist of two words. Two different words, but when they join together, they create another word which convey different meanings. Like we have a word basket here. So it will be paired with or joined with, yes, the ball here, basketball. It's a compound word. It's a game, it's a sport, and another word is light. Yes, lighthouse. Another one is key. Yes, it will be paired with hole. Key, hole. The snow, yes, it's very easy. If you see the remaining option, the bow, the fish, the man, the room, the man here again, yes, snowman. The rain here, it's very easy. Yes, the rainbow. The star here. Yes, it is talking about the starfish. The police? The policeman. The class? Yes, the one option is remaining, classroom. Let's move forward. This is your task from workbook. Look at the pictures, guess the compound words for them, request your elder sister to help you. Okay. All these compound words which we discussed just now, we have done it in your exercise. So this is what you can see: the chair, the board, the cupboards, the map here, the clock. This setting is like what? Yes, the classroom. And this one is, yes, we have a basket and a ball. Yes, it's a sport, it's a game, basketball. And this one is here. It looks like a star here. And it's like a fish. Yes, it's a starfish. This one is very easy. You can recognize it by just seeing it. Yes, it's a rainbow. And this one is what here? Yes, it's an airport. And this one is here, it's a back and it's bone, so it's a backbone. This is your another task from workbook, page number 18. We have a listening speaking activity here. As you can see the picture of a park, the children are playing, and this one is here is holding the hand of his mama. Tell the names of the games that you play with your friends in the park. You have to just name 2 games which you play with your friends in the park. Parents will get the child to the nearby park, advise him or her to play safely, wait for the turn for swings, and help his or her sibling if they get hurt. Then notice the response of the child if she follows the direction or not. This is your homework from summer pack. You have to see the pictures, these pictures here below, and write naming words or action words for them. Like you have to describe it, the color, the size, the taste, and also the action word, the physical movement, like eating, sleeping, walking, watching, etc. This is the same activity. You have to write the describing words and action words for these pictures. I hope you have enjoyed my lesson. Thank you. If you have any confusion regarding the lesson, you can rewatch it and do your exercise.